Hi guys, today I'm on my way to Mission Bay. I'm going to explore Mission Bay, something I've been wanting to do for a while. So I'm not out chasing the yellowtails at La Jolla, busting through the waves. I might catch fish today, but my goal is just to have a good time. Mission Point Park. That's the name of this place. Out there on the other side of those rocks is the open ocean. And this way is the bay, Mission Bay. The wonderful, beautiful little park here and an excellent kayak launching. Hopefully there's a parking place. Oh, they're working on the beach. Oh my goodness. I hope I can launch. All the sand is piled up. We will see. Open ocean over there. Oh, parking right here. Let's go. So this is a wonderful and beautiful park. However, on this day, I was very disappointed seeing a large wall of sand that they put up on the beach. For some reason, it's blocking the access to my kayak. I end up using my wheels through that loose sand for a long ways, and it did break my old wheels. They held up very good for a long time, but this was too much for them. But I built a new set, new and improved, a lot beefier. I think it could handle this now. We'll find out. My wife and I came here on a previous adventure on our electric scooter. We started, about 14 miles away from this spot, and rode my scooter all down the sidewalks. Are you recording?
Yes.
So that's the launch site where I would launch my kayak, right there on the beach. Very nice. Very nice, gentle. And this is a delightful little park. Alright, here I am, out in the bay, finally. Had a launch. Beautiful, just beautiful. Let's see if I can catch fish. But then again, that's not my goal today. To have a good time. To explore somewhere new. Oh, I might have a fish. Nope. Thought I saw something hitting it. Really? Yeah, good. And maybe that's the bottom. I think that's the bottom. Probably have seaweed on there. Yep. Not very presentable. Hit the bottom, pull it up a few, and troll. Okay, well, probably don't want to waste all my battery just trolling, so turn it on if and when I get a bite or interesting scenery. The fog is finally starting to lift. It had already lifted in Oceanside when I left. But when I got here, it was very foggy. It's starting to break up right now. It's supposed to be a little warmer. hence the shorts. But got 2 lines out, good to go. Well, I'm enjoying myself. I haven't had a bite. I got a bucktail lure on this one. I got a swim bait on that one. I see fish down there sometimes, but I haven't had a bite. But I'm having a good time. It's very enjoyable. There's a lot of wind today, even though they didn't call for it. And there's a lot of strong current in here too, so it's something you have to deal with on a constant basis. You're always pedaling, keep up with the current and keep up with the wind. I'm still hoping for that big halibut, but it don't matter. I'm here to have a good time. A lot of seaweed too, a lot of grass. I have to keep pulling the grass off the lures. Not too much boat traffic being a weekday. The fog never totally lifted. I got my sunblock on, but I think I'm still getting a little sunburn. I'll put some more. Bouncing off the bottom, that's what that is. Well, I'm back on shore. Didn't catch anything. I don't believe I even had a bite. But I was using pretty big bait, hoping for a pretty big halibut. But I enjoyed it. It was nice. If I was out on the ocean today, it would have been too windy. Calmed down now. But it's just plain beautiful. Just loving it. Even though I didn't get a fish, I still love it. But I did break my wheels coming in here because they built that wall. And I had some help, but it didn't work. So broke right there. Yeah, man, they lasted a long time, and I guess I can repair that. So I don't think it's gonna get me back out of here though. No. I wonder if I can wrap that with a belt just to get out of this mess. Otherwise I gotta drag it. Oh well. Anyway, time to go home.